Limited. Defunct. Ultra rare.
Hats, scenes, caps, unboxings. Today we have a soccer hat, an English Premier League team to be exact. This is, I would almost classify this as an ultra rare New Era hat. You don't see many out there like this. Let's take a look at what we have in today. It is Newcastle United hat. Newcastle United, 1982. They were formed. They play in a 52,000 seat stadium in St. James Park. They've had some success over the long span, I'd say. It's English Premier League is very competitive, and it is not easy to win. So you have to it's a lot of, money and prestige, all that goes along with some teams. So it's not like a Leicester City situation where they come out of nowhere. It's very rare. It's very rare that happens. But let's get in-depth look at the Newcastle United logo. Very crisp hat from New Era, fitted 59Fifty, of course. This beautiful looking logo. 7 1/4, 59Fifty is mentioned. Very nice. Let's take a look at other aspects of the hat. There's a side shot here. And Newcastle United. Official and UFC merchandise. And the guts of the hat. Working with polyester, 7 1/4. I'm assuming this hat was made of 2019 to 2022. You don't see Newcastle United merchandise from New Era on the market very often, so that is why you might classify this as ultra rare. So what do you think of this cap? Are you a fan of this cap? Do you like the design on that? Like the logo? If you like this type of content, subscribe. If you want to purchase caps like these and more, everything's in the description. Take a look. Free shipping USA. Thank you for watching, and have yourself a wonderful day. So long, and bye-bye.